Here's an unboxing of this smart cat litter box. It has this mat right here. Everything came packaged really nicely, wrapped in plastic, and the cardboard box arrived in good condition, no damage or anything like that. This mat is a really nice mat. And then, let's see what's next. We got just a few different pieces. It's really easy to assemble and put together. This is the scoop, the instructions, and the power cable, because you'll connect the power cable to the lid, and that's what's gonna turn it into a smart cat litter box for you. It's cool. It's got a light in it that deodorizes the inside of the box. Pretty cool. And here is the shield, the door that your cat that swings in and out, so your cat can easily go in and out of it. Then this is the top, the lid that you'll plug the power cable into. It's got a fan there on top, and then it also has the on-off button with a little display that tells you the odor level. That's just another little attachment for the top of the lid. And then you've got the big portion of the box that you put the lid on top of, and then you have the steel container that is the bottom, the base. And it also arrived in great condition, no scratches, no dents, no dings or anything.